I'm going to show you how I make my faux crockeries out of cans. This is our can from having corn Monday night, and we're going to use an iron orchid design stamp, and we're going to some paper clay that we've rolled out with our sangria bottle, and we're going to cut it to fill up most of the can. I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the back side of the can later after this side dries. We're going to glue the paper clay to the front side of the can, and then we're going to use our fingers and clay tools to smush it down around the edges. And then we're going to use a screw and we're going to put some holes in it like a worm got a hold of it. And then once it's all dry, we're going to paint it and we're going to age it with some wax. And look at how cute they are.